All right, you guys, I'm going to show you how to make those branded Instagram story highlights. And I'm going to make them in Canva because I have had better luck making them in Canva than I have on the phone apps. So you're going to, Canva's totally free, by the way, and it's amazing. I use it for everything. So you're going to go to new and you want to select custom dimensions. I already have it open, but you can just do, if you're on the home screen, you can just do new and select custom dimensions, and you want to do 1080 by 1920. You can also search for templates, and there's in Canva 2.0, which is the new Canva, there's an Instagram story template. So you can use that as well. So put your dimensions in. Then I changed this to my pink color background, but you can pick any color you want, whatever color you want your story's background to be. And then I'm going to go to elements and I'm going to go to the icons. And this is so easy. You can literally just choose your icon. You can also adjust the size in Instagram stories highlights. So we won't worry too much about it, but I am going to make it small just because I know the smaller ones work a little bit better once they're uploaded from trial and error. And then you can make the icon whatever color you want. And so I don't know why I chose this globe, but so let's say we're just doing that globe. And then this is basically it. All you're going to do then is download this. And I download it to Google Drive. Then I open Google Drive on my phone, save it to my camera roll, and then you can upload it directly as the cover to your Instagram story highlight. You don't have to post it as a story anymore. You can just change the cover and it can go directly there. So that's one way. I actually just made new ones the other day, and I'm going to show you the ones that I made, and they were like this. So to make this, let's copy it and we'll just deconstruct it. It's basically the same exact thing. You can just layer shapes on top of each other in Canva, which is awesome. So I don't know what this weird red circle is. I've never seen that before. So let's just deconstruct this a little bit. Okay, so I just added a circle because I wanted that to be the background color. And then I added the symbol. Then I added this circle as like a border, and then did another circle as a little bit bigger border, and then saved that. The cool thing about Canva is you can switch the position. Like I can move this all the way backwards by just clicking position, and now the picture is kind of in the back. So if I move it, it's going to take something else. So you have to just kind of play around with it to get that, but I'm going to move the little icon. So it's actually, you know what, let's do this. Let's move, it's on the border right now. Let's move that backward because I don't want to move that right now. I want to move this. All right, and then let's move this because I'm thinking that's this border. So let's move that backwards. So do you see what I'm doing? You have to play with them to get, if they're all touching like this, Canva can be kind of tricky. You have to play with them to get the one that you want to move. So I want to just move that icon. So I'm going to just try moving everything back and see, there it is. And now the icon's in the front. So you can position that in the back and the front. And sometimes it'll change how the picture looks, but not in this situation. So I'm going to just delete that. And let's say I want to do a little fake phone looking thing. So I'll just fit that right in. Change the color to whatever I want my highlights color to be. I think I did this gray for them. And then save it. So just do that for each icon that you want to have as your Instagram story highlights and save it, and then just upload them directly to Instagram. I just think this is quicker and easier than doing it in the apps. I have a hard time finding the right pictures with a transparent background that uploads properly to the phone app. So I just like doing it this way. I think it's super easy and quick. And that is how you do it.